What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel and I'm back with another Battle of the Boxes. This is going to be the March edition. I've got the March Moto delivered, I've got the March Brat Box here, and we're going to open up both and show you what you're going to get in both of these Moto subscription boxes. Let's check the Moto delivered box first. Alright, right off the bat, looks like we got a cool Moto delivered air freshener here with the helmet and goggles on it, all branded up. Can't tell how it smells. All right, we got the Pro Taper Pillow Top Tri-Density MX grips. These are always super popular. And then we've got the red Fast House jersey. You're gonna get this jersey in the size you signed up for. So this one is a large. Fast House stuff, super popular the last couple years. Always looks good, works good. Anything else in there? We also have a Moto delivered decal. Pretty cool. Put this back in here. Let's check the Brat Box. All right, guys, March Brat Box right here. All right, open up the tissue paper here. We've got a little note. It says, thanks for being a part of the Brat Box family. The awesome gear in your box is valued at $80. Please share your gear on social media and use the hashtag #TheBratBox. All right, so Maxima product right here on top. Looks like the Maxima microfiber towels. These are, I mean, you can do anything with these, obviously. A giant container, 32 fluid ounces of the Bio Wash. If you haven't used this stuff, it works really good. Remove before flight FMF wash plug. Everybody needs one of these, I don't care who you are. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen these before. It's an A-Stars Tech 10 boot keychain in white. FMF trucker snapback, black with the classic logo. Got a bunch of decals. Come in here and show the decals. Brat Box, Olin's, UFO, FMF, and then of course we have this month's issue of Racer X. On the very bottom, got a little note here from Brat Box. Thanks for being a part of the family. We're determined to deliver you the best moto gear to your door every month. Save 15% at AOMC.mx using the code TBB15. Pretty cool, guys. This has been the March edition of Battle of the Boxes. Just going to show you guys every month what you get in the leading Moto subscription boxes. I'm going to put links to these down below in the description. They are about the same price. And you guys leave a comment. Let me know if you're subscribed to one, subscribed to the other. Which one do you think is better? What do you think is cool in each box? I'd love to hear from you. I'll be watching those. Ryan with the MXG channel. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.